No. So built-in functions in Oracle. Now, so what the definition of function is? A function, okay, then like if you go to suppose some C language, there is the function in C language that is power, that is used to calculate power. Suppose if you pass 3 comma 2, that calculates 3 to the power of 2. So returns what? 9. So how you define this pow function? This function returns one value. A function takes some input, performs some calculation, returns one value. For example, the pow function takes 2 values, calculates power, returns one value. There is one more. What that is? Square root. The square root function takes one value, calculates square root, returns one value. What is that value? 4. So, what is the general definition of function? A function accepts some input, performs some calculation, and returns one value. Okay? That takes some input, performs some calculation, returns one value. Okay. So, what are the different types of functions? What are the different types of functions in Oracle? So, the functions are categorized into different categories. One is what? String function. Okay, one is string. Another one, numeric. Third one, dates. Fourth one, conversion. Fifth one, special functions. Sixth one, analytical. Seventh one, group functions. Functions are categorized into 7 categories. One is string function, next numeric, date, conversion, special, analytical, group. Okay, then. So, and these functions, they are used to process strings, they are used to process numbers, they are used to process dates, they are used to convert one type to another type, they are used for analysis, they are used to calculate aggregates. Okay, then. So first we'll start with what? String functions. We'll start with string functions. Then, in this, one function is there. What is that? Is upper. One function is there, upper function. And what is this function? This function converts string to uppercase. Function converts string to uppercase. Okay. The given string is converted to uppercase. You pass the string, that string will be converted to uppercase. Now, so once again, see, suppose here, like just now I discussed POW. To POW function, you pass 3, 2. What is this 3 and 2 are called? What is this 3 and 2 are called?
Parameters.
No, there is a name for this. To input to the function. Input only, but there is a name to this. What they are called? You are all learning Java, you must be knowing it. They are called parameters or arguments. Function parameters or function arguments. POW function takes how many arguments? 2 arguments. Okay, like upper function takes 1 argument. POW function takes 2 arguments. Like that upper function takes what? 1 argument. Takes 1 argument. What that argument is? So this argument can be, okay, what we pass to this function. Either you can pass what? String, or you can pass column name. So this argument can be a string, or this argument can be a column name. Okay. For example, suppose I'll say hello. Hello. What is hello is? Hello is a string. Like suppose, for example, I can pass ename. What is ename is? Column name. Okay. Hello is a string. Ename is column name. So what we pass to this function, either we can pass what? String, or we can pass what? Column name. Okay. Then. So let's take, suppose, example. For example, I want to use this function. Okay. Then. So you want to use this function. So if you want to use this function, like suppose you open SQL Plus. In SQL Plus, see, you cannot directly type what? Upper something. You cannot type like this. Because what we can execute in SQL Plus, we cannot execute functions. We can execute queries. Understood or not? So in SQL Plus, we cannot execute what? Functions. We can execute what? Queries, commands. What is that command? Select command, insert command, update command, delete command, create command, alter command. We can execute these commands, but we cannot execute directly function. If you want to execute the function, you have to call this function from query. You understood or not? If you want to use this function, you have to call this function from some query. Like suppose, for example, I want to call this from select. Select what? Upper. Select upper of hello. Upper of hello. Okay. Then. So what you are passing to this upper function? Hello. What is hello is? String. And the string is converted into what? Uppercase. The string converted into uppercase. But tell me, how you write select statement? Select star or something from compulsory, what should be there? Table name should be there. But tell me, is this hello belongs to EMP table? Is hello belongs to EMP table? No. Is hello belongs to student table? No. Is hello belongs to customer table? No. It does not belongs to any table. So when it does not belongs to any table, then you select from some dummy table. What the dummy table is called? Dual. Oracle is provided a dummy table. What the dummy table is called? Dual. So what for this dual is? So this dual is to select what? Sir, this is database value na, non-database value na? This is database value or non-database value?
Not database value.
This is not database value because it is not stored in database. Allow is not stored in database. So these values are selected from some dummy table. What the dummy table is called? DL. So let me execute this command. Okay, I'm executing this command. So the string hello is converted into what? Uppercase. Okay, that given string hello is converted into uppercase. So what the output you'll get? You'll get output like this. Okay, that. So what is dual? What is dual means? So dual is a dummy table provided by Oracle used to select so it's a dummy table provided by Oracle used to select non-database values. Allow is not database value. To select this non-database values, we use what? Dual. Okay, then. Next. Like upper, there is one function. What that function is? Lower. Sir, in Oracle, you want to convert string to uppercase. To convert string to uppercase, you don't need to write any program. There is a predefined function, directly use it. Okay, na? Like that. One more is there. What that is? Lower. So what is this converts? Convert string to what? Lowercase. The string is converted to lowercase. Similarly, lower function also takes one argument. This function also takes one argument. What that argument can be? That argument can be a string. That argument can be a column name. Okay, then. So one will convert string to uppercase, one will convert string to lowercase. So select what? Lower of hello. Sir, the given string is what? Here, given string is what? Here, given string is uppercase, but function will convert string to lowercase. So this is the output you'll get. They will ask what is dual is. Okay, na? Then. So what is dual is? It's a dummy table. Because when you're writing select query, so compulsory you have to write select from. Okay? But this is not belongs to any table. So that's why it is selected from some dummy table. Now, execute this query. This gives, what this gives? This gives what? Hello. So the string hello is converted to lowercase. Understood? Then. Now, so you are applying this on what? You are applying this function on what? Hello. Okay? But what I want is, let's once again, you see the EMP table. You see the EMP table, EMP NO, E-name, salary from EMP. So in table, the names are in what? In table, names are in uppercase. The names are in uppercase. But what I want is, I want to display employee number, employee name, salary. But I want to display, okay, display names in what?
Lowercase.
Lowercase. Display names in lowercase. So how to write? I'm asking to display. What is the command? Select. Select command displays. Usually, actually, I write like this. What? Select what? EMP, NO, E-name, salary from EMP. I write like this. But if I write like this, so in database, names are in uppercase. Oracle will show the names in what? Uppercase. But what user is asking? Names in what? Lowercase. Then what you have to do? Huh?
Yeah, lowercase e.
Apply
E-name.
lower. Lower of what? Lower of what, sir?
E-name.
E-name. Lower of E-name. So you're applying this lower function on E-name column. Earlier you're applying the function on what? Hello string. Now you're applying this function on what? E-name. E-name column. Okay. So if you apply this function on E-name column, then what is converted into lowercase? What is converted into lowercase?
On record.
So ename is column now. The values of this column are converted into lowercase. Now what it will do? First it go to Smith. Smith is converted into lowercase. Next it go to Alan. Alan is converted into lowercase. What is converted into lowercase? So every name is converted into lowercase. Okay? Then don't give it in single quotes. Because ename is not a string. Ename is not a string. String should be in single quotes. But ename is not string. What is ename? Ename is a column name. So don't give it in single quotes. Okay. Then, so run this query. Just see this. Every name is converted into what? Every name is converted into lowercase. Yes or no? All the names are converted into lowercase. But I don't want to show this heading. I want to change the heading. Then what? What is that? As what's it? Ename. As ename. You know now what this is? What this is? Elias. Okay, then. Okay. So now every name is converted to lowercase. Okay. Next. But in this example, what you are doing, you are converting the name. You are converting the name to lowercase. So, but you are converting the name to lowercase in table only in the select statement output. Sir, what I'm asking is, you are converting names to lowercase. You are converting names to lowercase in table only in the select statement output. Only in the select statement output, not in the table. Yes? So see that. So here, the names are converted in the output. But original table is what? Original table. You just go and see the original table. How to see the original table? Select star from EMP. But in original table, names are what, sir? Uppercase. Names are in uppercase. Okay? Then. But what user is asking is, listen, convert names to lowercase in table. So not in the output. Here in the previous example, we are displaying the names in lowercase only in the output. But now what is asking is convert names to lowercase in table. In table, I want to change. Then no commit. That's what you have to, every point you have to listen carefully. These are not the subjects that you just come and sit, listen and go. Okay, na? Then what for commit? Understand the commit. What for commit? If you make any changes, if you want to save the changes, then commit comes into the picture. Select is not changing. When it is not changing, there is no need of commit. Which commands will change? Insert will change, update will change, delete will change. After insert, after update, after delete, we use commit. After select, we don't use commit because select is not changing. Select is displaying. Yes or no? Then what is the use of commit after select? Tell me what. Convert names to lowercase in table. Sir, something by using commands only. You have to find out what command is suitable for this. Which command is suitable for this? Update. He's asking to change the names, na? He's asking to change these names to lowercase. What is this is? He's asking to change. What this is? Data na structure. Smith, Allen, Watt, Bass, data. You want to change the data. What is the command to modify the data? Update. Update command. Update. Update what? EMP. Set what? E-name equals to lower of E-name. Update EMP set E-name equals to lower of E-name. Now every name is updated with what? Lower of E-name. So every name is converted into lowercase in table. Now let me run this. Let me execute this command. 14 rows what, sir? Updated. 14 rows updated. Now see the table. Select what? Select start from EMP. Select start from EMP. Now in table, names are converted into lowercase or not? Yes. So they are converted into lowercase in table. But tell me, this update is permanent or not permanent? Not permanent. You want to make this permanent. Then commit. Then commit. Because you updated. You want to save the changes. Then commit. Okay, then. So wherever you want, you can call these functions. Wherever you want, you can call the function. You can call the function in select statement. You can call the function in update command. You can call the function in delete command. Wherever you want, you can call. Understood? Then. Now, there is one. What is that is called? Init cap. What is init cap is? What is init cap? What is init cap? Converts what? Initials into what? Capitals. Converts initials into capitals. Only initial letters are converted into capitals. Init cap also takes one argument. Okay. Now select what? Init cap of what? Hello, welcome. from dual. Select allow welcome from dual. Init cap of allow welcome from dual. What? So, what is the output? H is converted into capital. W is converted into capital. H and W. Initial letters are converted. H is one initial. This is one initial. These two initials are converted into capitals. Okay, then that's all. So, what are the functions there for converting case? In Oracle, there are three functions for converting the case. One case to another case. One is upper, lower, init cap. That's all. Only three. Okay. Next. There is a call length. There is a call length function. What is the length? This function returns what? String length. That is, what the string length means? Number of characters. How many characters are there? Length function takes one argument. This function takes one argument. What that is? String. String or column name. If you want to find out how many characters are there, to find the number of characters in the string, so that just use length function. For example, select what? Length. Length of what, sir? Hello. Length of hello welcome. Then hello welcome from dual. Length of hello welcome from dual. Select length of hello welcome from dual. Then how many characters? 5 plus 7, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 1 space. Total how many? 13. Space is counted or not counted? Counted. Space is also counted. Total how many characters are there? 13 characters. When? Now see this. So 13. So total number of characters. Okay? Then. So, but for example, like, just see this. If I write like this, select what? ename, comma, length of ename. Then select length, ename, comma, length of ename from emp. From emp. Then, what this gives? This is one example. This is another example. What this query gives? Every name, what's her? Length. What the first name is? Smith. Then gives first name is Smith. What the length? Length of Smith.
5.
Length of Smith is 5. What the next name is? Allen. What is the length of Allen? 5. Next one is what? What is the length of what? 4. So this query gives each and every employee what? Name and also length. Name and length. So name is what? Smith. Length is what? 5. Allen length is 5. What length is 4. Martin length is 6. So it is showing every employee name length. Okay, then displaying the length. Understood? So, but suppose, for example, okay, I don't want to show the length. What I want is like, suppose, for example, I want to display employee list. Name contains 4 characters. Display employee list. Name contains 4 characters.
Select. Ename from employee. Yeah.
Okay. So display the employee list. Name contains 4 characters. Then what? Huh? So that's all here. But this is all basics. If you can't like confuse where to call this select length function. So if you confuse, then so no use. Okay. Then I'm asking to display the employees list. Employees list. Then what? Select what?
Select.
I'm not asking to display the length. I'm asking to display the employees data. Select what? Star.
Dot.
Employee list. I'm not asking employee names, employee details. Then select star. Okay. Then next what? From EMP. But I'm not asking all the employees. I'm asking only the employee's name contains 4 characters. Then where condition? Where what? Name contains 4 characters. You know one method. Already you know one method. Not length. You already know one method. What is that method? Like. Ename like. Yes or no? Ename like. Then just listen. Ename like what? 4 characters. That means what? 4 underscores. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 underscores. Okay. So each underscore is equal to 1 character. So this query gives the names matching to this pattern. So is Smith is matching to this pattern? Smith, employee Smith is matching to this pattern?
No.
No. Alan is matching to this pattern? No. What is matching to this pattern?
Yes.
Yes. So it will select what? Okay. Once again. Sometimes, sir, what is like? No. What is like? Operator. That's all. What is like? Means like is a operator. Like is a operator. So sometimes writing conditions using operators is difficult. Writing conditions using functions is easy. Sometimes what? Writing conditions using operators is what? Difficult. But writing conditions using functions is what? Easy. Like I give name contain 30 characters. Name contains 20 characters. Then, so tell me how many underscores you have to give? 20 underscores. Giving 20 underscores is difficult or not? Yes. So instead of that, you can use what? Instead of using like operator, you can use what? Length function. What that is? What is length of what's sir? Ename. Length of ename equals to 4. Length equals to 4. Length equals to 4. If length equals to 4, select. Then, so it will go to the first name. What is the length? What is the length of Smith? 5. Condition what? False. Not selected. What is the second one? 5. Condition false. What? Length is 4. Condition true. Selected. That's all. So it go to one by one. Checks condition true or false. Okay. Then. So this gives all the employees name contains 4 characters. What? King 4. So these names contains 4 characters or not? Yes. Okay. So if you ask name contains more than 4 characters, then name contains more than 4 characters. Greater than 4. Contains 4 means equal to 4. More than 4 characters means what? Greater than 4. Okay, then. Now, next. So, there is a call. What? SUBSTR.
Substar.
Substring. SUBSTR. Substring function. Okay, then. Function used to extract part of the string. Used to extract part of the string. Okay, used to extract part of the string. So, substring function takes 3 arguments: string, start, next one,
Length.
length. This function takes how many arguments? 3 arguments. Upper function, lower function, length function takes how many arguments? Upper, lower, length. All the functions takes how many arguments? What you understood, Bas? Upper function takes how many arguments? 1 argument. Lower function takes how many arguments? 1 argument. Init cap, 1 argument. Length function also takes how many arguments? 1 argument. But substring takes how many? 3 arguments. What the first argument is? String. Second argument is start. Next argument is length. Okay. So, like, what is the purpose? What is the purpose? To extract what? Part of the string. To extract part of the string. So, suppose, for example, select, like, see, I'm just writing substring, SCBSTR. Then, hello, welcome. Suppose I say 7, 4. Hello, welcome, 7, 4. What is hello, welcome is? Hello, welcome is what? String. Hello, welcome is string. What is 7 is start. What is 4 is length. What is the meaning of this? Starting from 7th character. Starting from 7th character, how many characters you want? 4 characters. You want to get the part of the string, but where you want to start from? 7. Starting from 7, how many characters you want? 4 characters. What is the 7th character? W. So, like, hello, 5, space, 6, W, 7. Starting from 7, how many? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 characters. Then what it gives? WELC. Okay, starting from 7, 4 characters. Sir, I'm not writing select query. I'm writing only function. I'm not writing the complete query. I'm writing only substring. Then you want to test it. How to test this? Can you simply execute this substring? Can you simply execute substring in SQL Plus? No. You have to test with what? Select. Select query. Okay. Then. Now, so suppose here, then select what? Substring from DL. What it gives? Wells. WELC. Okay. Then. Sir, here index starts from 1, not from 0. Don't consider first character is 0. First character is what? 1. H is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Space is what? 6. W is what? 7. Starting from 7, how many characters you're asking? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then. So, for example, I'll ask 10, 3. Then
OME.
10, 3. Starting from 10, 10th character, how many characters? 3. What is the 10th character? This is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10. So starting from 10, how many? 3 characters. C-O-M. C-O-M. Okay. I'll give 10, 4. I'll give 10, 4. C-O-M-E. I'll give 10, 5. 10, 5. C-O-M-E. 5 characters are there or not there? Not there. How many are there? 4. Returns 4. If 5 are there, returns 5. 5 are not there, returns 4. Understood? Then. So 10, 3. Okay? Then. Now, what I said, length is compulsory. Here, length is in square brackets. Length is mentioned in what? See that. Length is specified in square brackets. Something is mentioned in square brackets means optional. It's not compulsory. Like suppose I give something like this, 7, but I'm not giving the length. Sir, here, what is help? Hello, welcome is what? String. What is 7 is? 7 is start. But I'm not giving the length. I'm not giving the length. If I don't give the length, then what? If I don't give the length, then returns all the characters. Starting from 7, returns all the characters. So starts from 7th character. This is the 7th character. Starting from 7, it returns what? All the characters. Welcome. So if we give the length, that many characters are written. If we don't give the length, then returns all. So starting from 7th character, it returns all the characters. So returns welcome. Okay, then. Now. And one more thing. Okay, then. So, for example, I'm giving like this. Okay, what is minus 10, minus 12, comma 3, something, whatever. Or let's say minus 5. Instead of this, simply say minus 5, comma 3. Sir, minus means what? Minus means starts from right side. Plus means left side. Sir, this is start now. Start is positive. If start is positive, starts from what? Left side. If start is a negative, starts from right side. If start is positive, starts from left side. Start is negative, starts from right side. Starting from right side, 5th character. Starting from right side, 5th character. Once again, this is the H-E-L-L-O space W-E-L-C-O-M-E. Starting from 5th character. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. starting from L. How many you are asking? 3. Then what it returns? It will not return LEW. It will return LCO. Okay, na? It will not return LEW. It will return what, sir? LCO. Always extraction is left to right. Extraction is left to right. But it will not return LEW. It will return what? LCO. Minus. See, length cannot be negative. Length must be always positive. Only start can be positive or negative, but length must be always positive. Length cannot be negative. Okay, that. So you can start from left side or you can start from right side. So starting from L, 3 characters means LCO. Now, so run this query, then from DL, LCO. Okay, then always extraction is what? Left to right. Extraction cannot be right to left. Okay, then then suppose here also I'll give -7. Bus. You sit there. -7. Starting from right side, 7th character. Okay, na? So 7th character. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7. Starting from 7. How many characters? All. Because I am not given the length. If you don't give the length, then returns all the character. Then what it returns is welcome. It's not comedy, boss. Okay, na? Don't think like, don't take what? Okay, na? Joke, minus, positives. Don't take it as comedy. Like, you should be able to write. If I give the command, you should be able to write. You have to learn like that. Computers are not comedies. Then there is no fun in this to laugh. No need to laugh. There is no fun. This is all technical. You are learning, you have to apply this. When movement comes, you should be able to apply. Otherwise, no use in learning the class. No use spending the time. For every, what is the need for laughing? What is there in this? Is there any Brahmanandam is there in this substring? Is Brahmanandam is visible in the substring? Then what is the need for laughing? Learn it. Learn it, apply it. Then. Okay. So this is how substring function works. Okay. But this is what I given these examples just for understanding substring, how substring works. But where it is useful. Okay. Then. So suppose, for example, I want to see the employees name starts with S. Boss, I know how to control this also. Okay. I know how to control that also. If you still do the same thing, I know how to control it. You come for learning the class, learn. Otherwise, please get out. Okay? Name starts with S. Already you know. Using like operator. Now tell me using substring. You already know using like. Tell me using substring. Then select what? Start from EMP. Where? What?
Substring.
Select start from EMP. See, name starts with S. Means what? First character equal to S. Name starts with S means first character is S. Yes or no? How to get the first character from E name? Starting with S means first character is S. How to get the first character from E name? Now you have to tell. Okay, na? How to get the first character from E name? Substring, SCB, STR, E name, 1, 1. 1, 1. What is the meaning of 1, 1 means? Starting from first character, how many characters? 1 character. Starting from first character, how many characters? 1 character. Okay, then. So what this gives? This gives what? All the employees' name starts with S. Let me run this. There are 2 employees' name starts with S, Smith and Scott. Okay, so one method is like, one method is substring. But sometimes we cannot use like. I'll take the example also. Sometimes using like is difficult. Using substring is easy. Then, so now okay, then next. Suppose I want to see employees name ends with S. You know using like. Now tell me using substring.
-1.
Ends with S.
-1.
Means last character equal to S. Ends with S means? Ends with S means what? Last character equal to S. How to get the last character? How to get the last character? Substring E name -1, 1. Okay, then. Then see this. So all these names, what's that? Ends with S. Okay, last character is S. 1, 1 means first character. -1, 1 means last character. Okay, then. Now tell me. So, like I want to find employees name starts and ends with same character. Employees name starts and ends with same character. Starts and ends with same character. Select star from
EMP.
Where?
SUB.
Sir, tell me using like. Tell me using like.
Like.
Tell me this query using like operator.
No.
Ename what? Like. Then. I didn't say yes. You read the question. I didn't say yes. What I said, starting, ending should be same. But I didn't say yes. It can be A. It can be B. It can be C.
Very hard.
Underscore, percentage, underscore. What is underscore means? One character. So this is one character. This is one character. But where you said this and this is same. Underscore means one character. This underscore can be A. This underscore can be yes. Yes or no? But you didn't say this and this is same, na? Underscore means any character. Then this is not correct. Sir, this query using like operator, it is difficult to write. It is difficult to write using like. If you use like operator, you have to write like this. A percentage A. A percentage A. Next one. Or what? Or ename like what? B percentage B. Like that. How many conditions you have to write? 26 conditions you have to write. Difficult or not? Then. So, instead of using what? Instead of using like operator, then now use what? Substring. It is easy to write. If you use like, it is difficult. But if you use substring, it is easy. Like how? Then what? See, select what's that? Star from EMP, where what I said? First character equal to last character. First character, last character should be same. How to get the first character? You know. How to get the first character? Substring, then ename 1 comma 1. How to get the last character? Substring, ename comma minus 1 comma 1. That's all. So this expression gives first character. This gives what? Last. First and last characters are equal, then display. Okay, then. So, if it is simple scenarios, okay, operators you can do with operators. But if it is complex scenarios, compulsory you have to use what? Functions. So that is the case. Functions plays most important in writing queries, especially writing complex queries. Okay, then. No. Then. But what did he say? No rows. Why? No rows means don't think that your query is wrong. Your query is right, but there is no record in the table satisfying the conditions. Okay, na? Then you want to test your query is working or not. Then insert one row. Insert one employee's data. Then what? How to insert? Insert into EMP, EMPNO, ename, salary, values, employee number, employee name. Nayana. I know Nitin. Okay, no problem. Any name. So one row created. Then now, so let me run this query. Now this query is displaying what? This record. So first and last character is what, sir? Same. Okay, there. Now, that's all. This is what substring. Okay, then. So one question is asked like this. What that is? They ask it, generate what email IDs for employees. They ask a question, generate the email IDs for employees, but they're given like this. They wanted email ID to be like this. Employee ID, e-name, email ID. Employee number, no? Employee number, e-name, email ID. In our table, employee number is what? 7369. Name is Smith. What is the name I want? Email ID, SMI736 @ SMI736. I want email ID to be like this. So it's not personal email ID. It is company email ID. When employee joins, one email ID is created for the employee. So the email ID should be like this, SMI736. And it's company email ID. So company is suppose say TCS.com. Okay. Then next one. Suppose 7499. Name is what? Alan. So what is the email ID? ALL749 @TCS.com. So they want to generate the email IDs like this. So in this, what is SMI? What is SMI?
Starting 3D.
First three characters. What is 736?
Employee ID.
First three.
First three.
SMI is first three characters. Boss. 736 is what? First three digits from employee number. And both should be concatenated. First three characters from name, first three digits from number should be concatenated. I want output to be like this. And the result should be concatenated with what? @TCS.com. But in Oracle, what is the concatenation operator? Okay, na? Concatenation operator is vertical bar. How many verticals bar? Two vertical bar. Like suppose, for example, if you say A vertical bar B, then what is the output you'll get? AB. If you go to Java, they use what? In Java, they use a plus symbol. In Java, they use a plus symbol for concatenation. Yes or no? In Oracle, we use what? Pipe, vertical bar or pipe symbol, double pipe. Okay, then. Now tell me, sir, how to generate the email IDs? Select star from EMP means it will not show the email IDs. See this once again. What you are saying? Select star from EMP. Select star from EMP means will it show the email IDs? No. Is email IDs are part of the EMP table? No. Then it will not show the email IDs. It will show only the columns of EMP table. All the columns of EMP table. That's what boss try to understand when. Okay, na? Then select. Sir, here it is there, boss. I'm asking to display this. I'm asking to display this. I'm asking to display only the three. Then I'm not asking to display all the details. I'm asking to display only these three. Then select what? EMP NO, comma, e-name, comma, email ID. But email ID is not there. Email ID is not there. You have to generate the email ID. Is email ID is there in the table? No. you have to generate the email ID. Then how to generate the email ID? I given now. Then tell me what. First 3 characters of name. Then tell me how. How to get the first 3 characters, boss? SUB, STR, what? E-name, comma, 1, comma, 3. So, substring of e-name, comma, 1, comma, 3. From e-name, what it will return? First 3 characters. So, Smith is the e-name. From the Smith, it will return first 3 characters, SMI. I want to next concatenate this with what? First 3 digits of employee number. Then double pipe. Then substring of e-name, comma, 1, comma, 3. Not e-name.
E-number.
EMP and employee number. So first 3 characters from e-name concatenated with first 3 digits of employee number. And the result should be concatenated with what? @tcs.com. Then double pipe. Then what? @tcs.com. Next, give some name as email ID from EMP. Now this query will show each and every employee. You want to show all the employees or particular employee? All the employees. So where condition is required or not required? Not required. But if you want to show the email IDs of particular employee, then where condition is required. Okay. But I want to show all the employees, then where is not required. So see this. Now it is generating what's that? Email IDs for all the employees. So SMI 736, ALL 749, like this. So generating the email IDs from the existing data. Understood? Then. Okay, then next. So okay, then so this is showing the email IDs. Then but so this query is displaying the email IDs. But what is my requirement is? My requirement is not displaying the email IDs. I want to store email IDs in database. Then store email IDs in database. The previous query is displaying, but I want to store email IDs in database. So here now email IDs are added to the table. Email IDs are added to the table. No, they are not added. They are only displaying. But I want to store this email IDs in database. Then so then what is the first step? What is the first step? Add what?
Email ID column.
Email ID column to EMP table. Add email ID column. First add the column. How to add the column? Alter table EMP, add what? Email ID varchar 2 of what? Some 2030. Okay, then first step, add the column. So if you want to store some new data, for storing the new data in database table, first add the column. Okay, then now, so column is added. Okay, na? The new column is added. So if you want, you can see this column EMPNO e name. Next one, what? Email ID from EMP. The new column is added. But at present, this new column is filled with what? Null values. At present, this column is empty. I want to insert the data into this new column. Then
Update.
tell me what? This is empty bus. I want to insert the data into this new column. What command? Update command. Okay, na? Then not insert command. What? Update. Insert command creates what?
Row.
New row. Insert command creates a new row. But I don't want to create the new row. The rows are already there. Only email IDs are not there. I want to update the email ID. Then update the column with what? Email IDs. Update the column with email IDs. Tell me how.
Update.
Same thing. Whatever you have written here, same thing. Yes. Okay, na? Then
Update.
now, what is update? EMP set what? Email ID equals to, then email ID equals to what? Substring SUB str ename comma 1,3 concatenate substring of what? EMPNO 1,3 concatenate, then at the rate what? tcs.com. Okay, then semicolon. So then run this query. You want to update all the employees or particular employees? All the employees. So where is required or not required? Not required. Okay, then okay, then so 15 rows what? Updated. Now see the table. Select what? Star. Otherwise, email ID from EMP. Okay, na? Then understood? Now email IDs are part of the table or not? Yes or no?
Committed.
Yes. Now that's stored in the table. I want to save this. Then
Committed.
commit. That's all. That's all. This is about what? So substring function plus where it is useful. Okay, that. Now, there is a call like now LPAD and RPAD. Okay. LPAD and RPAD. So, and both functions are used to fill string with a character. Are used to fill string with a character. Okay, then both functions are used to fill string with a character. Now, LPAD and RPAD both are used to fill string with a character. Now, suppose here then filling the string LPAD string length character, RPAD string length character. Purpose is to fill. Then so then this fills on what? Left side.
Yeah, that's
This fills on what?
right side.
Fills on right side. LPAD fills on left side. RPAD fills on right side. Fills left side, fills right side. Okay, next. So suppose let's take example then. Example LPAD. LPAD. Okay, then string is hello. Length 10 star. Then, see that. What is the meaning of this? What is the string?
Hello.
Hello. What is the length? 10. Given length is 10. But actual string contains how many? 5. But required length is 10. Remaining characters are filled with what? Star. Which side? Which side? Left side. Okay, na? Required length is 10. Actual string contains 5. Remaining 5 characters are filled with star. Which side means? Left side. Then star 5 stars hello. Length 5, length 10. But actual string is hello. Hello contains 5 characters. Remaining 5 characters are filled with what? Star. Left side. Sir, okay, na? Understood? Then. If I use RPAD, right side. RPAD is for filling right side. What that is? hello, 1, 2, 3, 5. 5 stars. Okay. Right. Okay, now. So, then if I give the length, suppose if I give the length 5, if I give the length 5 bars, then suppose select then rpad from real. So it is showing like this. Yes, but I'll give the length 5. Then I'll give length 5. Then if I give length 5, it will give only hello. It will give only hello. But if I give length what 4, then from real hell 4 characters. It gives only 4 characters. So if we give extra characters, then extra characters are filled with star. Understood, na? Here, if you give extra character, then they are filled with star. Here 5, that means 5. Actual string also contains 5 characters, then returns 5. If we give 4, then returns what? 4 characters. Okay? Then. Understood? Then. So, for example, I want stars, 10 stars. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want 10 stars. Then how to write? I want output to be like this, 10 stars. Huh? Now you can use LPAD or RPAD. No matter. Okay, na? Then LPAD or you can use RPAD. Anything is okay. Then
Hello.
string. What is the string? Tell me. String is Sarah. Next, comma 10, comma star. So see, listen this one. You understood this? Actual string contains 5. Required length is 10. Remaining 5 filled with what? Star. Here, actual string contains 1 star. Total how many length you are given? 10. 10. Length is 10. But string contains how many? 1. Remaining 9 characters filled with star. Extra characters are filled with star. How many extra characters are there? 9. That 9 extra characters are filled with star. Total how many stars? 10 stars. So then this gives 10 stars. So from real. Got it? Then. Okay, no? So we'll see the remaining functions in the next class.